proprietary Tempur material suppresses motion transfer. This means that when you get in or out of bed, you won't disturb your partner.
You're welcome.
Tempur-Pedic, the most highly recommended bed in America. Call 1-800.
When I was doing like this, I'd always bend and, and hurt.
Tempur-Pedic.com. Act now and take advantage of our 99th in-home tryout. 6 months, 0 interest financing plan. 20-year limited warranty.
It'd be something like
1-800-805-2302.
Guess what? Kmart is open Thanksgiving Day.
Starting at 6 a.m. Thursday, find thousands of free Black Friday deals. Microfiber bedding, your choice $11.99. All 4 games, buy one, get one half off. And this Panasonic TV is $399.99.
They're smart, and they're Kmart smart.
How are we going to make this season better than the last? How about making it brighter, more colorful, and putting all our helpers to work? So we can build on our favorite traditions by adding a few new ones. We've all got garlands and budgets to stretch, and this year we can keep them both evergreen. More saving, more doing. That's the power of the Home Depot. Make your season even brighter with 300 count icicle lights for just $7.48.
Just gotta go out.